We know that we have lost a monarch. Secondly, he was a politician, as you all know, of note. He rose to become a senator of Federal Republic of Nigeria between 1999 and 2003. And he climbed through the ladder to become the Olubadan of Ibadan. And in fact, today marked the second year of his ascension to the throne of Olubadan of Ibadanland. Moving forward, his legacies, his memories will chart the course for us, not only in Ibadanland, but in Nigeria, in your state. He was an amiable monarch, as you all know, very friendly, very jovial, and we pray to Almighty Allah that he will meet his creator in peace. Let me assure you, on behalf of His Excellency, the Governor of your state, who is this evening unavoidably absent, that whatever it would take to give a fitting burial, the state government will do it whenever the governor comes back to the state. For now, is what we call janazah in Islamic rite. We have given him that right, and we believe sincerely that moving forward, whatever programs that will follow would get involvement of the state government. Secondly, gentlemen of the press, we know that Obaku, Loro Yoruba. Now, you know the ascension or succession to the throne of Olubadan has always been peaceful, and we pray that whoever is coming in as Olubadan of Ibadanland will take the mantle from where the Olubadan of Ibadan, Kabiyesi, Oba Maud, Alli, Balogun. So I thank you for coming. This is a very pleasing, short service for the monarch. The area of journalists that have shown up this evening is very encouraging, and we believe sincerely that we will go forward in peace. Thank you very much.
Thank you.